If you want to change the wallpaper on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, you should be able to find home screen, lock screen, and style. So we can go over here, and if we swipe up, we should be able to open this menu where we have the wallpapers option. And over here, we have some example wallpapers that of course we can immediately set up. We also have some interactive wallpapers as well. And besides that, you can choose a photo from the album. You can also open wallpaper carousels as well. I mean, the future wallpaper, carousel wallpapers. So let's say, in my case, I'm gonna set up something like this maybe. Let's set up this wallpaper. I'm gonna use apply to, and of course we can choose where we want to apply it, whether it should be applied to the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both actually. We can also of course see the preview. At the bottom of the screen we have some customization options, so make sure to check that out as well. You should be able to zoom in and zoom out the wallpaper too, and with 2 fingers, I believe, yeah, we can also reposition the wallpaper as well. So let's tap on apply in the upper right corner once you are done, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.